So good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Liza Lonsoras, your physical therapist for today. So may I confirm po if kayo po ba si Miss Vanessa?
Yes po.
Okay, so according to your medical records po, you have undergone total hip replacement 6 weeks ago. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes.
So today po ay na-refer po kayo sa physical therapy. So but before we prescribe some treatment to you po, we will be assessing your functional level. So today po, I will be asking you to do some movements and I will be demonstrating it before you do po, ma'am. So tell me po if you feel safe or not doing the movement because we will proceed to another movement po if you don't feel safe. Okay, ma'am?
Okay po.
Meron po ba kayong mga questions?
Wala lang po.
Wala po. So first po, ma'am, is we'll be assessing your balance. So first, ang gagawin niyo po ay mag-stand po kayo at do this po. You put your 2 feet together, then stand for 10 seconds. Okay po, ma'am? But before we do that, I will be putting, lalagyan po kayo ng dito card po para po sa safety niyo. So I will be touching some parts of your body. Is that okay? Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, before you stand, I'll be asking you to scoot over po the edge of the chair. Tapos i-put niyo po forward yung leg niyo na affected po, ma'am. So, stand po, ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, I want you to maintain that position, ma'am, for 10 seconds. So, I'll be timing you. 1, 2, 3. Start. Stop. So, very good, ma'am. So, do you want to rest, ma'am, before we proceed?
Okay.
Okay, so sa next movement po, ma'am, other feet po, other feet, yung right po, dito sa bilog po ng isang feet niyo. Lagyan po, ma'am. Okay po, do you feel safe doing the movement, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, so hold that position po for 10 seconds. So, 1, 2, 3, start. Stop. Okay, ma'am, very good. So, before we proceed to the next movement, do you want to rest, ma'am, or
Proceed na po.
proceed lang po? So, next movement po is, we move more forward po yung right arm. And then, ito na po, ma'am. Okay, do you feel comfortable, ma'am? Safe? Okay, so I will be timing you for 10 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Stop. Okay, very good, ma'am. So now, you can sit na, ma'am. Okay. So the next task, ma'am, will be doing is walking. So I will be observing how you walk. So I will be assessing walking. So do you prefer any assistive devices?
Yes po. Ayos, okay po. Walking.
Okay, ma'am, so you can use that during walking po. So what we'll be doing is you can walk from here to there, which is 3 meters po, in your normal pace. So, i-demonstrate ko po, ma'am, ha? So, ganito po, ma'am. From here. So, normal pace na po, ma'am, hindi po tayo, okay lang po tayo, hindi po magkakalit. Okay po, ma'am? So, okay now, ma'am, let us stand. So, I will be timing you, ma'am, and when I say go, you can start walking from here to that table. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, stop.
So the next task will be Doing po is single chair stand po. So you're going to cross your arms over your chest po. And you're just going to get up from your chair and then go back down to your seat po. Then when I say go po, please stand up po. Okay po? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, very good po. And the next task we'll be doing po is repeated chair stands. So this time, instead of doing it once po, you're going to do it 5 times po. So you're going to stand up again once, then, and you're going to, and the task will end po when you sit down back on your chair on the 5th time po. Okay po? Okay, let's po. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay na po? Yes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, very good po. So based from our assessment po, you have a score of 8 out of 12. So this means po that you have limitations po in doing activities with your legs po. Do you have any questions so far po, ha? Okay po. So that's all po. Thank you very much po. The next assessment we'll be doing po is the lower extremity functional scale. So I just want you to answer this form po. And you're just going, this will test po your initial function po of your legs po, of the activities you do every day po. Okay po, ma'am? Do you have any questions so far po?
No.
Okay po.
Here are some considerations to take during assessment if the patient has dementia.
Okay, ma'am, for now we'll be performing some exercises. The first exercise that we'll be doing for today is called the squats po. So you may use your feet for that. So what you'll be doing is, mag-squat po kayo, or not so much na, pupunta na kayo dito kasi this is bawal for you. Okay? So, please stand po. Then, scoot over. Okay, and then, up tayo. Okay, good. So again po, yung mini squats na para kayo na uupo sa seat. Pero para po kayo uupo sa seat, pero hindi nyo po like totally na uupo na talaga ng ganito. Okay? So you can perform it for the parallel. Okay? So you'll be doing that for 10 beses and then 2 to 3 sets. Okay? Okay po. Sige po. Okay, okay. Straight po tayo dito. Straight po yung upper body, yung parang po nasa wall. Okay, imagine po na may wall ito. Okay? Sige po po. 1, 2, okay. 3, 4, 10. Okay po. Gusto niyo po ba mag-press po? Huwag po tayo mag-see. Okay po. Forward po. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Do you feel okay, ma'am, to proceed? Okay, po, let's now. Okay, very good. Then, same instructions po, sa home business, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, look out to 3. 1,
2007, 2010. Very good.
one by one. Forward, forward, forward. Very good.
Here are some considerations to take during the exercise if the patient has dementia.
Okay po ma'am, so ngayon po ma'am, ano po tayong pangalawang exercise. So yung exercise po natin ay pag ganyan. Ganyan. Okay po? So, alam niyo naman po, di ba ma'am, na bawal po tayong mag-flex or mag-ganito po na masyado. Bawal din po tayong mag-ganito. So, mag-focus po tayo ngayon sa pag-ganyan, forward, sideward, at saka backward. Okay po? Ganyan po ma'am. So, yung ganyan, para sa iyo, sa kapag mag-isang beses na po yun. So, gawin din yun sa 10 beses. Okay po? So, para po ito, gawin po tayo sa mobility ng iyong right leg. Okay? Sa iyong right leg. So, beses po lang na, okay? Dalawang sets, okay? Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, very good. 4, 7, 10. Okay. Gusto niyo mo ba mag-dress, ma'am? Sige, tukot tayo. Pantahan mo po. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Ulit na po tayo, ma'am, for pangalawang set. Okay, tayo. Go. 1, 2. Okay, very good. 3, 4, 7, 10. Okay, very good po ma'am. Upot tayo ma'am. Okay, so thank you po ma'am sa iyong kooperasyon. Yan lang po kami exercise ngayon. Ano po kayo ng feel ma'am? Okay po, normal lang po yan at wala rin po kayo later. Okay, so sa bahay niyo po ma'am, kung yung po gamitin yung exercise ngayon, make sure lang po na may nag-assist sa iyo at kayo hinawakan para hindi po kayo mabuka, okay? Okay, so thank you ma'am.
Thank you.
Here are some considerations to take during this exercise if the patient has dementia.